So they got 3 kangaroos here. I thought it was 3, but it's actually 3. And there's one up there. Yeah. So this is like a nature park in Port Moresby. There's a kangaroo hopping just in the background. Brought him in from Australia. So this bit you just go through the gate. It's still enclosed, but then this is out in the wild here. So proper kangaroos. Actually, those are wallabies, yeah. I was thinking they're not big enough to be called kangaroos yet. So those are wallabies. The kangaroos will probably be in the next one. Yeah, they're all wallabies here. It's more tree kangaroos. So that's a Goodfellas tree kangaroo. Those have interesting colours, those ones.
And the ones next to them.
Yeah. Huge tails on those boys, yeah?
That's what they all say, you got a huge tail.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
This is in Port Moresby here, Papua New Guinea.